These rifles offer impressive accuracy, high velocity, and smooth handling, all at a price that makes sense. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today we're diving into the best budget PCP air rifle that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Looking for power, precision, and performance without draining your wallet? The best budget PCP air rifles combine cutting-edge technology with affordability, giving you the perfect tool for target practice, plinking, or small game hunting. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned shooter, finding the right PCP air rifle on a budget is easier than ever. Let's explore the top options that deliver big value. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is Sig Sauer MCX. The Sig Sauer MCX Virtus PCP air rifle redefines airgun performance, offering unparalleled precision and power for target practice and varmint control. As the first pre-charged pneumatic PCP air rifle in the Sig Air lineup, it delivers exceptional accuracy and energy, making every shot count. Can you imagine honing your shooting skills with a semi-automatic air rifle that feels as advanced as its design? With a 22 LR caliber, 17.5-inch barrel, and a PCP operating system, this rifle provides smooth handling and pinpoint accuracy. The flip-up sights, M1913 accessory rail, and durable synthetic stock make it highly versatile, while the 30-round rapid pellet magazine, RPM, ensures uninterrupted shooting sessions. Whether you're an experienced marksman or just starting out, this air rifle is a reliable companion for training and hunting. Why settle for less? Click the link in description now to experience the power of the Sig Sauer MCX Virtus. At number 4 is Benjamin Marauder. Are you ready to elevate your shooting game? The Benjamin Marauder is a PCP-powered .25 caliber air rifle that brings power, precision, and versatility to your fingertips. With its balanced all-weather synthetic stock featuring an adjustable raised comb cheek piece and reversible bolt handle, this rifle ensures comfort and adaptability for every shooter. Doesn't that sound like the perfect fit for your next adventure? The shrouded rifled steel barrel offers integrated sound suppression, making it whisper quiet and ideal for stealthy small game hunting. The 8-shot rotary magazine and up to 16 shots per fill at 3000 psi let you focus more on your targets and less on reloading. With 900 FPS and 50 FPE, this rifle delivers exceptional performance every time. Whether you're into field target shooting or hunting, the Benjamin Marauder is your go-to air rifle. Why wait? Click the link in description now and experience precision like never before. The third one on our list is Umarex AirSaber. The Umarex AirSaber is a game changer for air archery enthusiasts, combining precision, power, and cutting-edge technology into one sleek package. Imagine the thrill of shooting arrows at 450 FPS with an incredible 169 FPE of kinetic energy, perfect for big game hunting or serious target practice. How's that for power at your fingertips? This bolt-action PCP arrow rifle features a high-capacity air tank that delivers up to 25 effective shots per fill, giving you more time to focus on your aim. The all-weather stock, rubber recoil pad, and Picatinny accessory mounts make it versatile and ready for any conditions. Paired with the Axeon 4x32mm scope, featuring a custom air archery ballistic reticle, your accuracy will be unmatched. Whether you're upgrading your gear or diving into air archery, the Umarex AirSaber promises an unforgettable experience. Click the link in description now and take your shooting to the next level. On number 2 is Barra Airguns. The Barra Airguns PCP rifle is a powerhouse of precision and durability, built to meet the needs of serious airgun enthusiasts. With its solid steel side lever and a breech and scope rail machined from a single block of metal, it offers unmatched accuracy and reliability. Can you imagine the confidence this design brings to your shooting? This rifle packs a punch, delivering up to 30 FPE of muzzle energy with heavy .177 caliber pellets. Plus, the externally adjustable hammer spring lets you customize power, noise, and shot count, ideal for both target practice and pest control. The reinforced polymer stock includes an ambidextrous comb height adjustment, ensuring perfect scope alignment. Add the shrouded rifled barrel with an aluminum air stripper and optional noise suppression, and you've got a whisper quiet powerhouse. Why settle for less? Click the link in description now to experience the Barra Airguns advantage. Now moving to the last one is Hatsan Flash Wood. The Hatsan Flash Wood PCP air rifle is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and performance, designed for shooters who demand power and elegance. With its stunning wood stock and side bolt action, this rifle offers a seamless shooting experience, whether you're using the spring-loaded rotary magazine or the single-shot tray. Wouldn't it feel great to have such versatility in your hands? Equipped with quiet energy technology and an integrated sound moderator, this air rifle operates whisper quietly while delivering an impressive max velocity of 1220 FPS with lead-free pellets. The Quattro trigger ensures a crisp, fully adjustable shooting experience, while the patented anti-knock system conserves air even if the rifle is bumped. With its combination Picatinny and 11mm dovetail optics rail, customization is easy, and the 46 FPE muzzle energy ensures unmatched power. Ready to elevate your shooting game? Click the link in description now and make the Hatsan Flash Wood yours today. So guys, this was the video about the best budget PCP air rifle. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.